Upon the entry, you realize we have a billboard with our culinary advisors. These culinary advisors not only advise our instructors on the latest trend in cooking methods, they are also supporting your training during the entire course plan. We do have advisors from Chile, from Peru, from France, from Italy, as well as from Spain and Taiwan. As we have many various kitchen outlets, the higher diploma in Classic Western Cuisine will be mainly taught on the third floor in our European or Western kitchen. As you can see, we have a pizza oven, we have an Italian kitchen, but we also have a European kitchen. Let's have a look in the kitchen how it looks. The fundamentals of the higher diploma in Classic Western Cuisine will mainly conduct in this kitchen of the European kitchen. You will undergo training in basic fundamental cutting techniques and French classic cuisines prior to advance to the next modules. As you all know, the classic Western cuisine is based on the 19th century, where Auguste Escoffier emphasized not only on the visual aspect as well as also taste and flavors. Here we're gonna let the students find out what is the basic sense of flavor and taste and how can we compromise the outcome to the customer's needs. The first floor emphasizes on the fundamentals of pastry, bakery and confectionery, as we try to emphasize on the fundamentals on each individual or in a team effort. You can see at the other side we have also a chocolate room where we emphasize the team spirit under world skill specification programs to underpin the knowledge of skills enhancements as well as participate in competitions. The Culinarium features an auditorium for 120 students. As you can see, we have also 12 individual cooking stations. These cooking stations are available for the students to undergo practical assessment for each module they are assigned. Class assessment as well as mass lectures will be conducted throughout the two-year program. We also have visiting guest chefs, as you know from the first floor, our culinary advisors, as well as renowned Michelin chefs coming here to demonstrate and share their knowledge with our students. The Wine Forum is a perfect venue for students to undergo their module in spirit and wine fundamentals. The students will learn to understand the vineyards, the wine grapes, the harvest, the bottling, their fermentation and their selling of wines. Our new higher diploma in Classic Western Cuisine offers our students to undergo during their two-year studies internal exchange programs to over 30 MOU partners.